What's up my dudes, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to crack open some awesome M2 square body trucks, and some of them being pretty rare and all of them being extremely awesome. So let's start the video with this one right here. We got us a 1973 Chevy Cheyenne Super 10 Custom SS, and I love this truck. One of the things I like most about M2 is that they're down with the slam trucks just like I am. So let's go ahead and crack this one open right now. Let's go ahead and break the seal. All right, so there is the truck inside of its Lexan case. There's the M2 logo. And now I'm going to undo these two screws and I'll be right back. All right, and here it is outside of the case and without the screws. Really cool color. It's like it's almost gold. Almost like a goldish green color almost. It's really cool. There we got the SS logo on the tailgate there. 1973 on the plate. Nice bumper and tail lights. Love these rims and tires. Rubber tires, of course, and metal on metal. There's the metal base painted black. These rims are really, really cool. Here's the black grille, which looks just absolutely amazing with the chrome bumper. And I believe all the hood should open up. Oh, this one opens up nice and wide too, so you can really see that engine. Look how nice that looks. That is sick. Very cool. Yeah, this is a badass truck. Super cool. All right, we'll put that one right there for now, and we'll continue on to the next one. Let's see, which one do we want to do next? Let's do this one. Also really excited about this one. I'm excited about all of them, really. These trucks are amazing. This one's 79 Silverado, and it has Mongoose Factory Team livery. Looks like there's 8,250 of this one. Oh, I forgot to mention, the first one there is only 6,880. This one's a little bit slightly more rare, or slightly less rare, excuse me. This is awesome. You guys may or may not know I'm a BMX freak. I love BMX bikes. I have a Mongoose. It's like the Stranger Things limited edition Mongoose, and I absolutely love it. And I just had to get this piece as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack this one open. And here we go. Look at this awesome square body. Look how cool these are. Beautiful grille work, nice headlights. Bumpers look amazing. And of course that Mongoose tempo, so sick. ABA endorsed. This one's got really nice red interior. Oh, I love this truck. So sick. Look how realistic it looks. Beautiful metal on metal, more rubber tires. Love their selection of rims. They always pick really nice rims for their trucks. And there we go, another look at a beautiful M2 engine. Absolutely gorgeous. This truck is really something special. Nice heavy casting, as they always are. Could not be happier with this one. So sick. Alright, put that one right there. Hood up, showing off. Let's see. Alright, next one up. Let's get into these. Check this out, you guys. Now, there's about 9,000 of these worldwide of each. And check that out. You guys probably know how much I love Trans Ams and how much I love GMC trucks, because, you know, I have a GMC truck. And this, when I saw this for sale, I just had to jump on it. Look how awesome. So sick. Yeah, I don't want to waste any more time. We're going to crack this one open right now. And here it is. One amazing GMC truck. This thing is so sick. Look at that. Got a red grille guard, red bumper, an awesome Trans Am Firebird logo. So sick. Two-tone paint, red interior, red headache bar with lights. 76 and the old school GMC logo. Really awesome looking off-road tires and rims. Badass. Oh, America on the license plate. That's so sick. And GMC on the tailgate there. I love that the taillights are a separate piece. And now let's see if we can take a look at that engine. Oh my goodness. Check that out. That is so badass. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. There's the black metal base. Wow. This thing is so sick. Looks like the grill guard is slightly off, but I'm pretty sure if I mess with it, I'll end up breaking it, so I will leave it as it is. Let's go ahead and pop the hood like we've been doing, and we'll put that right there. And next one up is its beautiful counterpart. This time, we got a 76 Sierra Grand 15 Custom, slammed to the ground. Almost identical in paint and tempo, and I am amped. I love this one. Now, I was not lucky enough to find these at Walmart. I had to get these on eBay, so I had to pay a little extra, but it was totally worth it in my opinion. Totally worth it. These are so cool. I'm gonna be careful with this packaging because I don't necessarily want to toss it. I know I'm an opener, but every now and then when I find something special like this, I kind of want to keep the package. Very rarely, but every now and then I feel that way. All right, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Got a little bit of glue right there. All right, let me crack this open. I'll be right back. And here it is. Beautiful, beautiful GMC square body truck. Absolutely love this casting. Those rims and tires are so nice. Again, metal on metal, rubber tires, really detailed rims. Gorgeous. Again with the Trans Am Firebird logo. Looks like it's not quite perfect. Got a little bit right there, but it's all right. And here's the comparison of the two. Both are excellent in my opinion. But of course, you know me, I love the slam trucks, so I'm a little bit biased with this one. I used to have a lifted GMC Sierra. Beautiful. Back in 2002, I had one. I had it for like 5 or 6 years. Ended up trading it in. Beautiful. Look at that GMC logo on the grill. So sick. Yep, very badass trucks indeed. They roll okay. Not amazing. But they can be forgiven because they're so sick. Alright, now I was debating whether or not I was going to open this one up. Just because there's only 1,200 of these worldwide. Just 1,200. So in my opinion, that makes this pretty rare. I believe there's a yellow one as well, which I probably will get at some point. But I had to start with the red one. Now those gold rims usually tell me it's some kind of chase piece, but I guess if it's, 1,200 pieces, it's kind of a chase at least. This one opens a lot easier than the other two. It just has like a little tab up here. And here it is in all of its square body glory. So absolutely beautiful. To be specific, this is a 76 Sierra Grand 15 Custom. Beautiful. No emblems on the back, which is pretty cool. Oops, there we go. Taillights and bumper look really good. Paint quality is excellent. And there's those crazy gold rims again with the Goodyear tampos on the rubber tires. Again with the black metal base. Beautiful GMC grille. Chrome bumper. This one has a black interior. Absolutely wonderful. And there's the beautiful engine. M2, they really know how to capture my heart. Oh yeah, this one rolls super nicely. That one is a really nice roller. But anyway, like I was saying, M2 knows what's up. Like, they pick awesome vehicles to cast. I love how they have them slammed all the time. I love slammed classic trucks. Look how awesome that is. That is beautiful. That deserves to be up front, and that's where it will be. Now, there is technically one other truck for this video, but unlike how I usually do, I am not opening this. Look at that. It's an M2 Chase. Now, up in the corner here, it says it was limited to 3875, which that in itself is pretty rare. But actually, it has this little sticker right here letting me know that it's limited to only 350 pieces worldwide. This thing is absolutely nuts. Gold grille, gold rims, extra detail on the engine, gold interior, gold bumpers. This thing is nuts. Now, I gotta be honest, guys, like, the seller messed up. I ordered the regular version of this truck, and he sent me this instead, this limited edition version. I don't know if it was on purpose, he's just being super cool, or if this got mixed up in my order and he sent me the Chase version. But either way, I'm just gonna keep it just the way it is. Again, I know it's not like me, I'm an opener, but this thing is so rare and so sick, I just can't bring myself to tear open this package. Beautiful truck, absolutely love it. So sick. Alright, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Friday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog and I post diecast videos all the time. And if you collect like I do, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. And I'll catch you dudes next time.